Hello, this is Jeff with 3JM Exteriors. Today we're in Plano, Illinois, replacing the roof at the Turner Plaza. The Turner Plaza was hit by hail in April. The board members called us to give them an inspection. Upon our inspection, we found that it was severely damaged by hail. We then met with the insurance carrier to get the roof approved for full replacement. We're tearing this roof off, getting down to the decking. Once we've inspected the decking, we will then start with our roof system install. This is a 300 square project. It's going to take us about 4 days to do. We're going to coordinate with the tenants to make this as stress-free as possible. We're using the Owens Corning Duration Shingle. This area gets a lot of wind, and so we wanted to protect this customer from any future wind damage. The Owens Corning Duration Shingle has a sure nail technology that allows for 130 mile an hour wind rating. We love to under-promise and over-deliver. We originally slotted 5 days of work to complete this roof system. Through strategically placing material and dump sites throughout this project, we were able to work more efficiently and get this project done within 3 days. This project has 12 tenants inside this building, each a different business. Before this project started, we were able to meet with each tenant to make sure we chose the best day to work around their business schedule. We eliminated unnecessary stress to the business owners and their clients. As the crew wraps up the last 2 sections of this roof, I'm using this time to inspect the already completed sections of the roof. Once we're done with our work, we'll do a final walkthrough and one final cleanup around the building with our client to make sure they're 100% satisfied. We'll also answer any questions they may have on the work performed.